When we think about the main thing we want our reader to do when they're on our website, when they're reading our LinkedIn bio, when they are reading our emails, it's probably to book a call if we're a service-based business, or book an appointment if you have a kind of health business, or it's that easiest thing for us where they get further along in the funnel without us having to have so many touch points. So generally it tends to be book a call. And that works really well for us. But is it the best call to action for your reader? What we need to think about is whether we are asking them to make too much effort, whether we're asking them to do too much in such a short step. So quite often I advise my clients, yes, it's important to have book a call or book an appointment or whatever your main call to action is on your website. But let's give people another option too. Let's give them a lesser commitment in case they don't want to make the effort of actually booking a call. So what else could they do? They could download a freebie which takes them into your email list. They could just send you an email. You could provide a link which opens an email. Quite often people are more than willing to type a few lines down in an email, start that conversation going, rather than finding a time to book a call. So I want you to think about the path of least resistance for your reader. Yes, the main call to action is important to keep in there. And yes, that's good for us because it takes out all those steps in between. But is it the best for your reader? How can you create less effort for them by creating a path of least resistance by offering a smaller commitment, like opening an email, like downloading a checklist which then goes onto their email list rather than having to book a call?